We are excellent teachers.
Excellent teachers.
We believe in our children.
We believe in our children. We won't settle for less. We believe in our children.
In 2019, the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, LASUBEB, launched the Co-Excel initiative. To enhance the efficiency of the program, LASUBEB commissioned a Co-Excel situation room, a data-driven education control center, to provide real-time monitoring and feedback on lessons delivery and completion, attendance, pupils' learning outcomes, and other key indicators.
It's with great joy that we commissioned this wonderful initiative, the Situation Room of the Co-Excel program, that it will be used for humanity, to advance humanity and to advance the country as a whole, to advance our state, and to ensure that our children are educated and go out and change the world. Thank you very much.
The Situation Room enables effective monitoring through the bank of computers and widescreens using a computer program called Spotlight.
The Situation Room houses data and information which we are going to use to make informed choices. For the first time, not only in Nigeria, Africa, round the clock monitoring of our school system, our primary school system, which we have access to every school within Lagos State, information concerning the schools, information concerning the teachers, the pupils, the head teachers, their attendance, their departure, and lesson completion, which is very, very important. With the dashboard, which is known as Spotlight, it uses special algorithms to calculate and bring out the best.
Commissioner for Education, Mrs. Folashade Adefisayo, said the Central Control Room is in line with Mr. Governor's education transformation agenda.
Its impact and ramifications honestly are so wide. Because first we'll collect data online real time. That is, as things are happening, we are collecting data. We know how many children came to school. If there's any problem in any school, we're able to track it so that the people who are even going there to solve the problem would already have a lot of data on their hands. They will know how many children, how many teachers, whether the head teacher is in school or not, whether the children are learning in a particular subject, they have difficulty, and so in fact, there's so much so much information and data that this is going to give us. And of course, that will enable us make informed decisions. There won't be guesses. We won't guess what is happening. We'll know precisely what is happening, why it is happening, and then we'll be able to develop solutions.
The Executive Chairman, LASUBEB, Honorable Wahab Alawiye King, noted that this multifaceted smart screen and workstation is focused on enabling data-driven education system, ensuring transparency, accountability, and quality service delivery in the basic education sector.
This is in line with Mr. Governor's agenda of transforming the basic education sector using technology. And as we can see, one important element, one key element in transforming the basic education sector is quality. With the introduction of this digital device, we can be able to monitor what is happening in our school real time, and this is very good for us.
A certificate on global recognition of a Co-Excel methodology was presented to the Commissioner and the SUBEB Chairman.